Achieving video viral success. Nearly every modern smartphone, digital camera, even desktop PCs come with cameras built into them nowadays. Most shoot high-definition video as well, making it easy to produce engaging, high-quality video you can use to promote your business. The astonishing power of video. There are a number of different kinds of videos. Research videos created by your competitors so that you can create something unique and also learn from their mistakes. The most common type of video is to record you or someone else talking about your business. Keep the video short, less than 10 minutes certainly. Better yet, less than 2 or 3. Keep your video lively and entertaining, and always promise to reveal more and more information as you go on, so your viewers will keep watching all the way through. The second kind of video is a series of static screenshots, such as a PowerPoint presentation. They can actually be created with PowerPoint, if you already have the program, or you can download a program that will allow you to build one. These kinds of videos are going to be more like commercials than testimonials or sales pitches. Use a script. The script should be set up so that there is one line for each slide. The lines should be very short, usually not more than 10 words, which means you will have to be very economical with your writing. And obviously, the line should be relevant to what is displayed on the screen. Each slide will be on the screen only for about 3 seconds, no more than 5, except for the last slide, which will stay on screen until it fades out. That means for a 2-minute video, you are going to need about 25 to 35 lines of text. Once you have created a video using one of these techniques, try creating a second and third using the other 2 techniques. This will triple your exposure and give you experience with different types of video production. With internet marketing relying more heavily on videos, this experience is going to be key to going viral. YouTube and its benefits. YouTube is the biggest of the video sharing sites in North America. So if you don't post your videos on any other site, you should post it on YouTube. Music videos and TV shows and movies are the most popular YouTube videos. But how-to videos and videos that are unusual are also among the most viewed. How-to videos that are part of a series are more popular than those that stand alone. So if you have a 10-minute video explaining how to change the air filter on your home furnace, for example, you would get more visitors if you broke it into 3-minute 33-second videos. A great way to build a following and increase your chances of having your video go viral is to record any seminars or webinars you host. Break your webinar video into several files and create an online video series that YouTube users can subscribe to. How-to videos should provide valuable information that people can use to perform a specific task. You can feature your products and business if you want, but videos that are commercialized tend to be less popular than those that appear to be independent. The second kind of video that is hugely popular on YouTube are those that are unusual and or funny. Some of the most popular videos of all time on the site have featured people or animals doing unusual yet interesting things. Among the most popular are those featuring babies and young children doing and saying funny things, people lip-syncing, and anything having to do with cute animals. On YouTube, weird is revered. If it's appropriate for your business, come up with a video that is wacky yet fascinating. If you hit the right tone, it can offer your best hope of going viral. 7 ways to create viral video. Because videos are the format of choice for most internet users, your odds of going viral are improved if you focus on creating a viral video. Here are 7 shortcuts you can use to improve your chances of success. 1. The more videos, the better. Basically, the more videos you produce, the greater your chances that one of them will go viral. It's sort of like playing the lottery. The more tickets you buy, the better your chances of winning. 2. Make videos that are funny. People will watch and share videos they find entertaining. Making people laugh is the easiest way to entertain them. Hence, funny videos are often the ones that go viral most frequently. 3. Target your fan base. The Internet's ability to find specific micro-topics of interest quickly means that there are a lot of fans out there for whatever you are selling. If you give them content that feeds their fanaticism, they are going to be more likely to pass it along to their contacts. 4. Parody and satire sell. One of the most basic comic tools is to make fun of something that takes itself too seriously. You can connect with audiences and entertain them using parody and satire. Just remember to always keep it tasteful. 5. Keep them guessing. Video editing techniques make it relatively easy to create something that looks real, but is not. Some of the most popular viral videos are those that make the viewer wonder if what they are watching is genuine. 6. People love gimmicks. Techniques such as Legos, action figures, time-lapse, stop-motion, and miniatures make some of the most interesting and most popular viral videos. By packaging your message in some sort of gimmick, you can broaden its appeal. 7. Memes the word. Memes are quirky internet crazes that spread like wildfire over the web. By being aware of what's hot, Honey Badger and Michaela is not impressed are two recent examples, and incorporating it into what you are trying to promote, you can catch a ride on a rocket of popularity. Video marketing methods that work. The whole point of creating videos and posting them on popular video sharing sites is to create additional backlinks to your website. So don't forget to post a link to your site underneath your video. You would be surprised how many people forget this step. Videos promoting your products are one of the best ways to improve your site ranking on Google and other search engines. And the search engine algorithms will continue to give more weight to videos in the coming years. It's a good idea to embrace it now because it will be an important part of all future marketing programs.